The Earth's crust is comprised of fine rock particles and organic matters. It is generally formed by breaking down of rock particles due to weathering associated with erosion processes and contents of humus, decayed plants, animal remains, living organisms, water and air as well. But we should be aware of the fact that near about 300 to 1000 years are required by nature for formation of a single inch of topsoil over the surface of air. Yet this topsoil somehow or other is destroyed and lost in relatively short periods by careless land management and insensible activities of man, as has been happened in case of the past civilizations like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in Indus Valley, Mesopotamia in Middle East and Maya in Central America. This illustrates that mismanagement of the soil and water resource can lead to poverty, malnutrition and economic disasters in form of floods, droughts, famines, energy crisis and health hazards also, as has been said. In the meantime, India has emerged as a self-sufficient country in food production. Yet the success has not been an unmixed blessing. Illustrating it in a very clear way, the country is now recognized as the second largest producer of vegetables in the world with production of 146.55 million tons of total amount of world's vegetables from 8.5 million hectares, which are represented as 14% of total produce and 15% of the world area in sequel. Despite the fact improvement over the vegetable cultivation is still on its way, involving furthermore 6 to 10 difficult operations. We are now facing the serious difficulties and at a juncture of dilemma ensuring sustainability of our production system. This is because that the land resource is being exploited in the name of cultivation without restraint, considering it as inexhaustible in any time. In the other way, our greed rather than our need is putting enormous pressure on the capacity of biosphere, resulting in over-exploitation of the natural resources. In furtherance with this, the arable lands are converted into non-arable lands and the productivity of agricultural land is also decreasing day by day due to a number of biotic and abiotic stresses. Human activities have inflicted harsh and often irreversible damage on the environment and the critical resources like soil and water. India is the second biggest populous country in the world, and the tremendous growth rate of population has decreased the per capita availability of land and the other natural resources also. It has dwindled the resources to a great extent. Exemplifying on this, it is stated that the land availability figure amounting to 0.5 hectare per head before independence was decreased to 0.15 hectare in 1951 and again anticipated to come down to 0.08 hectare per head by 2050-80 based on the present growth rate of population. So the biggest challenge before us is nothing other than producing more agricultural produce from the less land, and this can only be possible by maximization of production per unit area of land. But while doing so, emphasis should be given for preservation of soil quality and capacity at the same time, because the topsoil, which is vital for the agriculture and its development, is displaced and lost every year through various erosions. Report says that 5.3 billion tons of topsoil is displaced and lost in a year through water erosion only. Apart from losses occur by other processes. So we will have to take care of this.